In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly schedule a meeting and share it with others using a straightforward process. Meetings are essential for collaborating and achieving goals, so it's important to know how to set them up efficiently. First, you'll want to start by scheduling your meeting. This can be done through a variety of platforms, each offering its unique interface, so select the one you're most comfortable with. Once in the meeting feature of your chosen platform, look for an option that says Schedule a Meeting or simply Meet Now. These options usually appear prominently on the dashboard for your convenience. For those planning a future meeting, Schedule a Meeting is your go-to selection. It will allow you to choose the meeting's date, time, and duration. You can often add a topic or agenda to give attendees a preview of what's to come. Make sure to double check your time zones to avoid any confusion. If you are ready to meet immediately, selecting Meet Now is a swift way to get started. It bypasses the scheduling options and allows participants to join right away. Once your meeting is set, the next step is to copy the meeting link. This link acts as the key for your attendees to join the meeting. You can typically find it within your meeting invite or meeting details. Often, platforms place this link in an easily accessible location, sometimes even right on the main meeting page. Make sure to click the copy button associated with your link. This action stores the link temporarily so you can quickly paste it wherever you need it. Now comes the part where you share this invite link with participants. Think about how you'll deliver this information. If you commonly use email, paste the link into an email message with a brief personal note, inviting your colleagues or friends to participate in your upcoming meeting. If you prefer instant messaging or any project management tool your team uses, paste a link there. Some platforms give you the option to directly share the link through integrated email functions, enabling you to invite guests without having to leave the application. Choose your method based on how your team typically communicates. Remember, good preparation can make a big difference. It's always a good idea to send a gentle reminder on the day of the meeting with the link included just in case anyone misplaced it. With these steps, scheduling and sharing a meeting is a breeze and you can focus more on what truly matters, the conversation and collaboration that happens once everyone is gathered together. So, go ahead and schedule your next meeting with confidence.